Thanks, mate.
Nolan, we're down a couple more than 10 forever, dude. Got it?
You got that pocket open for us, mate? Thank you. Cheers.
Alright, orange and white, if you're ready.
Orange and white.
Orange and white, over here.
Mark, did you find out who's it was?
Hey guys, if you're ready, can we get you to the right of the gate? That's now you get the prop.
Hey Luke, you might be on YouTube, mate.
Good one.
Let's go!
I'm so glad I bought this one. And
One orange! If you're ready, have you guys tested your gun?
no.
It'll work. Alright, go!
Find out in a second.
Jesse, man.
I'm gonna test it.
Yeah, well.
Yep, sweet. Test it and turn it off, guys. You still flinch? Ooh. You gotta get the stick and put it in the thing or something and then rotate. Fun? No. Don't give him the stick! Give him the stick! Oh!
Team over there, white team over this side.
Oh. Don't give him the stick! Are you my dad? Oh.
Wait. Orange bottom side, white top side, front side. Yeah, I'm gonna explain the rules.
That's when they're finger stuff.
Alright guys, welcome to London after the apocalypse. It's pretty much like London, we got a bus. There's no bonus points for driving a bus, and if you can, I will applaud you. I'll do that. Oh no, we're gonna have the insurgents up the top, government forces down the bottom. The aim in this game is to get the government up to the rebel base. Pretty much like Capital Flag, but with a human.
Okay.
It's pretty easy. Alright, for the first 4 minutes, we have respawn. After that, no more respawn, alright?
Cool.
Pretty simple, pretty fun, it takes a lot of strategy to win, but we'll get there. Are there any questions? No. Remember, if you get shot after respawn, please, get out. There's 2 games, alright? The red barrel's over there. After 4 minutes, if you get shot, please head down there. Head down there with your hand up, follow the yellow barriers, and please don't shoot anyone that is out. Alright, we're all clear with that? Alright, perfect. I'll get white teams be the government, and orange teams be the rebels.
Cool. Video we got that. Cheers, mate.
Funny pack.
No! 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 Whereabouts is their base? Whereabouts is their base? Where the barrel is? Or? Oh, over there.
I'll talk to you guys and explain.
Cool, thanks.
What are you on, top, bottom?
the first bit of pain I've felt today.
Alright guys, come in. I need a president.
What does the president do?
Jonathan, you're the president. That's right. Alright, we need to protect him. But we need to get him to armed stations to kill them all, alright? Once you're up there, they're dead. Alright, you've won. Easy, right? Not so easy. I need Jonathan to be in the bus. I need half you guys to protect Jonathan. The other half to be a decoy. We need to get him safely up there, alright? If he gets shot once, he's gone, dead. Like President, John F. Kennedy, I think. I failed history, alright?
Okay, yep.
That's right. Yep. Alright, well clear on that. Remember, mask down. If you get shot after the first 4 minutes, no more respawn. Please go to that red barrel just over there. Alright, well clear on that? Alright, I'll be back in a minute.
Oh. There we go. You guys protect me with that thing. CS. If only you could like... It's like Sparta.
I don't like it. Who wants the shield? As I said, huge tactical advantage. Shield?
Look at it, how heavy is it?
Not that heavy.
Hey, can you grab my phone out of my pocket? Yep, I did not realise that. Just grab that car, let's get him, sorry. I'm going to lean that against you. Well, I'm going to take it out of my pocket and put my bag. Can you take a photo, please? Down. Well, it's currently been doing stuff in Snapchat. Photo. Yeah, that's what I was going to do. Thank you. The only one that doesn't have the footage of them.
Well,
Can you put it in my backpack? Oh, actually, no, I'll give it to Noel, I think.
Marcus, you don't want it. Hayden, where's the unit?
I do not want it.
You got shield.
Hayden! Want a shield?
Why don't you want it? He's the president. He can't have it. I reckon we crash behind that gyro move behind us. We're going to get him up on top of the bus.
Pardon? I'm in the bus? Alright, fuck. Pardon?
They really all hate you, so good luck.
I'm gonna get fucked. Do I have to stay up top?
No. Your objective is you have to get off the bus.
I have to get off?
Yeah, in the first 2 minutes, I need you to get off.
Oh, okay. Jesus shit! I hit you, mate! Stop cheating! That fucker's cheating! Oi, mate! You behind the wall! It's it! Oh, see that shot? Is that guy an enemy? Whoa, that was close. Is that Franken? On my arm? Or behind my arm? No? Woo!
You right? What's the plan?
Watch out, guys. Tree over there. See that block? Tree over. Pardon? Where's my vest? Oh, I gotta get the vest? Oh, shit. Fucking hell. I know. Oh, hey. Put the shield here. Put the shield here. Guys, shield up to the left. Hayden, to your left. There. There we go. Alright.
Stop. I need to get you to the other side.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Hold on. Go out this door, go around the back.
Okay.
But, I need you to go around that way. You're going to get short way to this side.
Yeah,
Alright?
I can get that thing.
Alright, get a right shield with you. Get a right shield with you.
Yep.
What do you want me, guys?
Fucking cheating bastard! Move, guys. Move, guys. Move!
What do you want, mate?
Forward, just so I can get out. I'm the president. Someone cover me! Come! Shield, guys! Guys, shield in front of me. We're going right, flank.
Good luck, you're fucking cheating.
Crouch down. Cover me, let's go. Go. Alright, boys. Let's push forward, guys. Shield men, up front. Let's go, shield man, let's go! Shield up! Move forward! Get to the barrier! That's it, cover me! Fire! Where's the other shield man? Over here! Right, Kyle! Straight left, mate, come here! Come straight left, push forward in front of this thing! Round here, Kyle, round this side! Oh. Where are they? I'm out. Pull it off. I'm out. All right, give me that shield. Look out. Are we swapping hands? Alright. You want the president's shirt? Here, I'll grab that, man. Cheers. No worries. Pardon? It skimmed off something and sprayed me. And it's no headshots, so.
Right head up to the barrel, thank you! Right head up to the top barrel!
What's the kill count?
Oh. My annoyance count? Pretty high. Fucking cunts. Just shooting them. They look at the plane on them and then they just keep playing. And then shoot back at me. Fill up, guys. Right hand side is the hardest for the president to get through, so they're going to push left, that side. Remember, everyone's got respawns except for the president. So for the first 3 minutes, just smash the president guy. Smash him. Because we can come straight back and go at him again. Guys, remember this respawns. Not for the president. Not for the president. So, just go for the president. Forget everyone else. Once he's out, he's out. That's alright. Yeah, I know. But yeah, the president, once he's hit, he's out for good. And they're going to push this side because it's easiest. So just smash the president as soon as you can. He's going to come out and go straight behind that building because that's what I did.
Wouldn't you be better off trying to make sure that they never get to the president? Were you on the top floor?
You have to, the thing's up at the top, you got to grab the thing, come down, and then basically get over here.
Yeah, so wouldn't it be wise trying to pop anybody who's posted up on the top floor?
Best thing to do, guys, to get to the best position ever. They're going to try and occupy
Cover this,
that
yeah.
Instead of going into it, go behind it.
Yep.
Because the problem with the team that you should just play, they went to this side of it, you just hold up around the back of it,
Yeah.
and they're bugging.
Exactly.
Get around it.
That's what I'm saying, they're going to push this way because it's easiest, way easier than this.
And if, instead of standing here,
Push forward.
move down. The further down you get, the better this game is going to be.
Marky, where are you? Mark.
Everyone, move down. Run like crazy.
Mark. I'm going to probably push for that, the bus.
One team, are you ready? Yeah! 2, 1, go, 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 go!
Oh my god. The president's gone! President is down! President's down! President's down!
He's firing, guys.
He's still fucking shooting!
He's firing, guys.
Boys!
Firing. Game over.
Fucking, how hard is it?
Everyone down below the bus, please. The president is dead.
Huh? I didn't know where he was, I just saw it in the corner.
I just blamed one of our own guys. I didn't even realise it was.
Alright, players, come back over here. We're gonna head in, alright? It's lunchtime. After lunch, we'll go out for another round.
Can we go for a partner round?
Everyone's still shooting, can we go for a little bit?
We got.
Everyone's still shooting, you reckon we could go for a little tiny round?
Don't want to waste the bullets on this one.
Fair enough.
There's better ones out there. I'll take you to them. Alright, I'll give you
I've got enough pounds on, sweet. Huh?
Guys, hold with your gun. Move the hopper the other way around. Like that guy. No, like that guy. Yeah. Sorry. You're all the same with masks on. Right, guys, let's head back.
So the dude I shot through the window, and like it had a shield, shot him square in the arm, and he's just like kept moving back. I'm like, really?
I went around, I flanked him completely.
Well, I shot him in the back.
And then you turned the corner. And then I was like, you can't dispute that one.
Well, I shot him in the back, and it was like clear, like it was like 4 or 5 meters away. Boom, boom, like shot him once. I was like, wow, is he? He is. I just wait for him to get open again. Pain you right in the arm. Yeah. Fucking cheater. Doesn't stop.
Alright, after lunch, I'm going to swap the teams up, alright? How's that sound?
Yeah.
Shut up, Draymond. Everyone hates you. Everyone hates you. Yeah, alright, we'll do 3 teams. Actually, no, 2 teams. Go pro versus that. Alright, James, can you get the riot shirt for me? Perfect. Alright, let's go back in. I'm hungry.
Huh? Who? Yeah. It's just like, oh, he's got a shield, shoot it.
Man, I was like right there, and 2 people came around the bus. It was the president.
Oh, one sec, I get him talking, one sec. One sec, him talking, Dave. Sorry, Anthony.
Shooting everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, it was because everyone was looking at the shield, and
Yeah.
I was just like,
Yeah. Pardon? Okay. Oh.
I was to the right of you, and 2 people came around the bus, but I thought they were our team.
Oh, really?
And it ended up being the president.
And I can remember, yeah, he's just around the bus. I'm like, what? Dave, where'd he go? He's just around. I'm like, what? Shoot round. Hit him like 3 times, I think.
I was trying to get your attention because there was 2 riot shields on top of the bus. If you came around the corner, you would have been.
Oh, dude, I was shooting through the window at him. He hit them both.
Oh.
And they kept playing. No, I'll watch him on the camera. Oh, he thought he was done yet. He's like, oh. Just keep it. I'll put this stuff on YouTube. Like, we just under like Appin, Paintball, something or other. Like Appin, Paintball, and with a date. And then today's date. Oh, do it, couple more. Thank you. Crazy barrel.